right. Awesome. I'm gonna be back next weekend. Don't worry. Kill. You hear that? Sounds wet too. You can't hear it probably. Let me increase the volume for you here. Okay. Well, let me move to the next screen. Don't use this as a BGM. Oh, giving me ideas. So thank you everyone for coming by and watching. It was good. Good to be back playing the Silksong. I really missed it. That's how you know that things are stabilizing when I go back to playing Silksong and Metrovania. Yeah, nice outfit. You should wear it more often. I don't know for what occasion, but I'll try. I don't know what would be appropriate to wear this. Yeah. Can you speak up? There's a wet crying baby in my ear. I don't see how that's my problem. But yeah, it's good. It's chilling. We are having a wonderful time. And then real BGM hours. Awesome. What? What'd I say? No. You know what I'm saying. I missed the part where that's my problem. Yeah. Also, when you go to Japan, so you get the iPad for Hololive. I don't know. It's kind of bulky, I think. So, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to shove it in my luggage. It's an iPad. It can't be that bulky. They like, I don't know. From the stories I hear, it's like a bit bulky. No, you have no idea. No. It's not like a small backpack thing. It's like bigger for some reason. Yeah, no, it won't fit in a backpack. It's complicated, okay? I don't think we can talk about it, but it's like kind of bulky. So, I don't know. That's why backpack women won't fit in. Okay. What does that mean? FYI, I carry around a backpack when I travel. An actual backpack, mind you. I'm gonna hear this and freaking sleep. Good. Isn't that nice? Cutesy versus travel pack all on say. It's not. It's an actual backpack. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great one. I took off my headphones. Have fun, guys. It's okay. I'll stop. Because I'm gonna leave. Kunoyasumi. Kunoyasumi.